Hey, have you ever felt overwhelmed by an endless list of trivial tasks like grocery shopping, setting up an appointment, and paying your bills? You can't focus on what really matters to you, like spending time with your friends and family, working on a passion project, or meeting a deadline. But if you don't do these trivial activities, they will come and haunt your mind. Like, hey, the refrigerator is empty. I'm hungry, but now it's in the middle of the night. And you feel bad and blame yourself with procrastination and when you really need to get them done. We are here to help. Our application is a to-do list app. It will organize all your schedules and remind you things to do. What it differs from other apps is that it will automate trivial tasks in your to-do list when you tell us your preference of how to do the task. For example, you wrote many to-dos in our app. One of them is find a handyman to fix low drain in the bathroom. We will check your preferred house maintenance service, contact the service, and schedule a handyman for you. Sounds good? Leave a comment and tell us what trivial task you'd like to automate. Thank you.